In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add appointments to Google Calendar in our 2025 full guide. Whether you're organizing a busy work schedule or managing personal appointments, Google Calendar is a flexible tool that can help you stay on track. So let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and type Google Calendar into the search bar. Click on the Google Calendar link that appears in your search results. You'll be directed to the Google Calendar homepage. Here, you'll need to sign in. Click on the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Enter your Google account details when prompted, and then press Enter on your keyboard to log in. Once you're logged in, you're ready to create an appointment schedule. To do this, locate the plus Create button that's usually found in the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Clicking this button will bring up a list of different options, including Appointment Schedule. Choose Appointment Schedule to proceed. Now, it's time to enter some details about your appointment. Here you can provide a name for the event and decide the duration. This is also a good time to add any specific notes or instructions that might be useful for the attendees later on. For availability settings, you'll notice a section labeled General Availability. Here you need to select your preferred time slots. A helpful tip is to choose the Repeat Weekly option if you have recurring appointments. This can save you time and make sure your schedule remains consistent every week. Don't forget to set your time zone correctly. This ensures all participants have the correct timing, especially if they're in a different part of the world. Next, click on the Scheduling Window option. Here you can refine and adjust the time slots according to your preferences. Maybe you'd like a break midday or prefer meetings only in the morning or afternoon. Tailor these settings to fit your needs. Once you're satisfied with your schedule settings, click on Calendars. Here, you should ensure all your booked appointments appear by adjusting any needed settings. Also, have a look at the booked appointment settings to include reminders or notifications about upcoming appointments. These small touches can help you keep everything organized. Proceed by selecting Next, and you'll be brought to the booking page photo and name. This is where you add your personal touch, maybe a photo or specific details that reflect the appointment's theme. If there's more information to add about what the appointment entails, such as the location or other necessary details, you can do that here. Go on to the booking form section. If there's an extra item or query you'd like to include in the form, like dietary restrictions for a lunch meeting or equipment needed for an event, now's the time to add it. Finally, head to Booking Confirmations and Reminders to set customizable messages that notify attendees of their appointment details and any other reminders. After you've reviewed everything and are happy with your setup, simply click on Save. To share your booking, click on Copy Link and then paste it into an email or message to send to your intended recipients. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up appointments on Google Calendar. Keep exploring and customizing your calendar to make the